Welcome to our overview of the Amazon Basics Cast Iron Dutch Oven, a versatile kitchen essential designed for home cooks. This 6-quart round pot features a striking enameled finish, perfect for adding color to your kitchen. With dual handles, it's easy to lift and maneuver, making it ideal for hearty meals and gatherings. Crafted for durability, this heavy-duty pot is built to withstand intense heat, whether on the stovetop or in the oven. Its non-stick surface ensures easy cooking and cleanup, perfect for busy kitchens. The Amazon Basics Dutch Oven is not just functional, it's also stylish, seamlessly fitting into any kitchen decor. From soups and stews to casseroles and braises, this pot delivers unrivaled heat retention and distribution. Perfect for baking artisan bread or slow-cooking roasts, it adapts to various culinary techniques. You can even take it outdoors for camping trips, providing a reliable cooking solution wherever you go. Experience cooking at its best, gather with friends and family over a delicious home-cooked meal. Its robust design withstands high temperatures, making it suitable for both slow cooking and high-heat tasks. Reinvent your culinary experiences with this versatile Dutch oven. Every meal is a potential culinary masterpiece. Taking care of your cast iron is easy, just hand wash it after use, and avoid dishwashing. To maintain its non-stick surface, ensure to season it periodically as recommended. Store it in a dry place to prevent rust and keep the lid slightly ajar for air circulation. Avoid using metal utensils to prolong its lifespan and keep it looking pristine. With minimal maintenance, your Dutch oven will serve you generously for years to come. Invest in this kitchen staple today and elevate your culinary journeys. In summary, the Amazon Basics Cast Iron Dutch Oven combines functionality and style for every kitchen. With easy maintenance and unparalleled versatility, it's a must-have for culinary enthusiasts. Transform your cooking experience and create memorable meals today with the Amazon Basics Cast Iron Dutch Oven. Thank you for watching. Explore more kitchen essentials at Amazon.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative reviews and kitchen tips. Until next time, happy cooking!